Forming a limited liability company, LLC, can be a strategic move for individuals looking to establish a business in New York, offering liability protection and potential tax advantages. LegalZoom is a popular online legal service that simplifies the process of creating an LLC. This explanation will walk you through the steps involved in using LegalZoom to form your LLC in New York State. The process. Navigate to LegalZoom's LLC formation page. Begin by visiting the LegalZoom website and locating their LLC formation services. You will typically find this under a business formation or similar section. Click on the option to form an LLC. Select your state. You will be prompted to choose the state where you want to form your LLC. In this case, select New York. Choose your LLC package. LegalZoom offers various packages with different levels of service. Review the features of each package carefully to determine which best suits your needs and budget. The basic package will typically cover the essential filing requirements. Provide your LLC name. You'll need to enter your desired LLC name. LegalZoom will likely perform a preliminary name availability search with the New York Department of State to check if your chosen name is already in use. Ensure you have a few alternative names in mind in case your first choice is not available. Remember that your LLC name must include a designator such as Limited Liability Company, LLC, or LLC. Appoint a registered agent. New York State requires every LLC to have a registered agent who is responsible for receiving legal and official documents on behalf of your business. You have the option to act as your own registered agent if you have a physical address in New York, or you can utilize LegalZoom's registered agent service for an additional fee. Consider the implications of being your own registered agent, such as a need to be available during business hours at a public address. Provide member information. You will need to provide the names and addresses of all the members, owners of your LLC. Define your LLC's purpose. You'll be asked to briefly describe the business activities your LLC will engage in. Review and confirm your information. Carefully review all the information you have entered to ensure accuracy. Any errors in your formation documents can cause delays or complications. Submit and pay. Once you have reviewed and confirmed all the details, you will proceed to the payment stage. LegalZoom will outline the fees associated with your chosen package and the New York State filing fees. LegalZoom handles the filing. After you submit your order and payment, LegalZoom will prepare and file your articles of organization with the New York Department of State on your behalf. They will typically keep you updated on the status of your filing. Receive your formation documents. Once the New York Department of State approves your filing, you will receive your official formation documents from LegalZoom. This usually includes your filed articles of organization. Tip: consider creating an operating agreement. Even if LegalZoom's basic package doesn't automatically include a comprehensive one. While New York does not legally mandate an operating agreement for single-member LLCs, it is a crucial internal document that outlines the ownership structure, management responsibilities, profit and loss allocation, and other important aspects of your LLC's operation. Having a well-drafted operating agreement can help prevent misunderstandings and legal issues down the line, especially if your business grows or adds more members in the future.